Understanding Engine Misfire, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, engine misfire. This term is often used in automotive contexts, and understanding it can be really useful, especially if you're interested in cars or mechanical topics. So, let's dive in and discover what engine misfire really means. An engine misfire refers to a situation where the engine does not operate smoothly. Normally, in an engine, each cylinder fires in a specific order to produce power. When there's a misfire, one or more cylinders are not firing as they should. This can cause the engine to run unevenly or lose power. It's like a runner stumbling during a race. The rhythm is broken, and performance drops. There are several reasons why an engine might misfire. These include 1. Spark plug issues. Spark plugs create the spark needed for combustion. If they are worn out or faulty, the engine won't fire correctly. 2. Fuel system problems. Problems with fuel delivery can prevent the proper amount of fuel from reaching the engine. 3. Electrical issues. Any disruption in the electrical system can lead to misfires. 4. Engine timing issues. If the engine's timing is off, it can't fire at the right moment. Understanding these causes helps in identifying and fixing misfires. How do you know if an engine is misfiring? Look out for these signs. Rough idle. The engine shakes or runs unevenly when idle. Loss of power. The vehicle struggles to accelerate or feels less powerful. Check engine light. This light may come on your dashboard. Unusual sounds. The engine might make popping or spitting sounds. For English learners, understanding phrases like engine misfire is crucial for a few reasons. Practical knowledge. It's useful for everyday life, especially if you own or drive a car. Language skills. Learning specific phrases enhances your vocabulary and understanding of English. Cultural understanding. Automotive terms are a part of many English-speaking cultures, especially in countries where cars are a primary mode of transportation. That's all about engine misfires. I hope this video has helped clarify what this term means and why it's important. Remember, learning specific phrases like this not only improves your English but also your understanding of the world around you. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.